Okay, good morning students. In our first little tutorial, we'll be talking about templates and how to open a project using a template. It's a very important step in your learning of Revit, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so when you first open Revit, it'll come up with the screen with your previously opened projects. Yours would probably be slightly different. Mine's opened with my previous projects, and yeah. So what our first move would be to do is click on New, and you'll find that this little tab comes up with New Project. It's asking us for a template file. We will not be using the construction template. We'll be using our own little template that I've created for everyone, and you are going to select project, not a project template. We're not making a new template or opening a project template, but we are opening a new project using a template. So you will click on browse. You'll choose your UJ student template 2019. You'll click open, click OK, and you'll find that your UJ student template has opened up. Okay, so important things to note is that when you do open up a project the proper way, you'll find that Revit says it's a project 4. It won't say project template, but it'll say project 4 or project 1 or whatever you may want to name it. And this would be the first screen that comes up with your 4 elevation markers. Please do not delete these markers, as it'll be used later. We can obviously hide them, but up until this point we won't delete them. So always make sure it's a project that you open and not a project template. I'll just go over that one more time just to make sure that everybody understands it. So we'll click New, we'll choose Project, Browse, UJ Template 2019, click OK, and our project file has opened using our template. Okay, so our next step would be to do, as soon as this opens up, let's save it. File, save as project. Always save as a project, not a family, not a template, not a library, but a project. And this screen here should come up, so you can save it as assignment 1 and put in your student number and your name. Okay, and that should be good enough for our first assignment and tutorial. So make sure it's saved with the right file name, because going further you'll probably use this file to do a drawing in. And yeah, that's our first tutorial. Okay, thank you class.